Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ktura Kay, and today I'm here with another makeup tutorial. If my voice sounds a little weird, I'm actually recovering from a cold or getting a cold. I don't know if it's getting worse or getting better. I really don't know. But thank you for tuning in. Today we have a makeup video, and I'm going to be doing a video on this look using all different types of products. Majority of them are new. So I'm not gonna sit here and ramble. Y'all know I like to run my mouth and talk to y'all, but I could really talk about makeup all day, and I just wanted to show you all some of my favorite products that I like to use. And I just decided to do a nice, creative, fun look, and I love the way it came out. So comment down below and let me know if you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you. If you're a loyal subscriber, thank you. Thank you all, seriously. Like, I really can't thank you all enough. My channel has been acting weird lately, so I am starting the Pretty Couture channel also, so I will be posting on both of those. So you definitely want to subscribe to Pretty Couture as well, and check out my nails and lashes, and that is on the website as well. So let's get into this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So let's get started. So we are starting off with Fenty Beauty New Pro Filter Concealer, and this is my go-to now. I know it's new, but I am in love. I love how it dries. I love how it doesn't crease as much, and I love how it gives great coverage. This is definitely staying in my makeup bag forever. Like, I love it. And I use a little bit warmer color because I like to go in and use it as like a color corrector / concealer. And now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation and I am placing that over it. And this is the new Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer by NYX. And I really like this concealer. I loved it for highlighting. I liked how creamy it was and how it was so easy to blend. And they have a really nice variety of colors, and they don't look ashy. Some of those concealers look ashy, and this one, they have like a shade. I think this was honey, and I loved it. This is the Infallible Sticks, foundation sticks from L'Oreal. And I like this stick, but the only thing I didn't like about it is that it was very loose. So it gave off a lot of product, and I didn't expect it to give off that much. So you see here, I'm kind of rubbing some of it off and, trying to blend it out good. But it was really creamy, but it wasn't as stiff as like the one that I love from Fenty. This is my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I am baking. And now I'm blending everything out with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is my MAC Studio Fix. And I am contouring, basically going and intensifying my contour with a powder. Now I'm using my Covergirl Full Spectrum Highlighter. This is the Revlon pencils, and these, not pencils, but these are the Revlon Eye Art sticks, and I have fallen in love with these. Oh my God, I got all of the colors, and I love these so much, y'all. And they are so easy to use, and they're literally like a two-hitter quitter if you want to use the glitter side. So I am taking the CoverGirl Full Spectrum highlighter, and I'm going over that just to make it a little more golden. And I'm taking the NYX Ultimate palette, and this has a lot of bright colors, and I'm just going in with that pink tone and going in my crease. Now I'm using my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I'm deepening out that crease with the plum and purple colors. And just blending. Going over my eyelid just a tad bit more before I apply my liner. And the liner that I love to use is by NYC. You'll see me put that on. Well, I'm putting on my mascara, of course. And this is the Monsieur Big by Lancome. And now I'm putting on my liner. And this is the NYC liner by NYC, duh. This is the NYC liner, and I'm just applying that. I love how rich and dark it is. It never fails me. You don't have to worry about this drying out like those felt tip liners do. I love a felt tip liner, but if I use a felt tip liner and it dries out, I will go over it with NYC. These are Pretty Ktura lashes, and I am loving these. These are in the style Glow, and this is a before and after. You see the difference. And now I'm putting the other one on. So here's the look with the lashes. I just love how beautiful they are. They make such a difference. Like, I just love them. They're nice and flutter, and they're 3D mink lashes. So I'll link their website down below, Pretty Ktura. This is the Black Up liner, and I use a brown liner for my lips because I just want it to look natural. And this is the Fenty Mademoiselle Tiger Teeny Orange, and this shade is gorgeous. I love it on my skin tone, and I just really think that it gave a beautiful pop of color. So I'm lining a little bit more and just blending everything out, just making everything even.
Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup look. Again, don't forget to go check out my luxury press-on nails, my Pretty Ktura nails, and my lashes. Again, these are the Glow lashes from Pretty Ktura. And don't forget to subscribe to the Ktura Kay channel and the Pretty Ktura channel if you haven't already, because my analytics have been acting up, and I've seen a few YouTubers have the same issue, and it's literally been like just a rare thing. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to be uploading on the Pretty Ktura channel and the Ktura Kay channel, so you don't want to miss out. But thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.